Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you these 3 really simple hairstyles for Raksha Bandhan. Now, I know you guys are going to celebrate at home, so I've kept these really easy. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So for the first one, just take a simple middle parting. Now take a section of hair from the front towards the back and take that into a ponytail. But before doing that, I'm just pulling on sections on the sides and at the back just so that I add a little bit of fullness and it doesn't look too flat. Now once you have the section towards the back and you have secured it using a rubber band, now make an opening in the center and flip the ponytail inwards. And you will get a twist like this. You can even pull on the side so it opens up and looks really pretty. Now just to hide the rubber band, I'm adding this embellished pin that matches my outfit as well. You can choose to use any accessory that you like, but I prefer that if you guys use an accessory, it'll look prettier because you will hide the rubber band and the twist will show even better. And that's about it. That's how the first hairstyle looks. It's simple, it's easy, it's quick. You can literally do this in like a minute at home and it'll go with all your like casual outfits for Raksha Bandhan. So I hope you like it. Now for the second one, using the same middle parting and extending that towards the back and splitting my hair into 2 equal sections. Now take that both into low ponytails like this. Now what I'm going to do is rotate the right section towards the left. And while I'm rotating it, forming a bun, I'm also going to use U-pins to secure it. I'm doing this just so that it doesn't open up and I get a really nice form of a bun that I want. Now with the other section, you take it towards the left and keep turning it around and like again, just keep securing it with U-pins. You will need to use a lot of U-pins while you secure it, but you will get a really voluminous and full bun that also looks really different. Now if you have any extra bits, you can take a tail comb like this and simply just put all the hair into the bun. Now to take it a notch higher, I'm just using these embellished U-pins and I'm putting that right in the center. And guys, that's about it, and you guys can easily see that the bun looks so voluminous and full, like I have put some sort of a stuffing inside, and it also looks so different, which is what I love about this hairstyle. Okay, now for the last one, I'm going to take a section of hair from the front towards the back like this, and I'm going to take that into a ponytail. I'm going to flip the ponytail inwards like this. Now I'm going to take the section that's on the right. I'm going to twist it a couple of times. I'm going to take it upwards and I'm going to take it through the other side of the section. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take the left section, twist it a couple of times and take it through the right side of the section. Now I'm going to take some U-pins and secure the twist on the top so it doesn't move. And basically that's how the twist looks. It's this beautiful, voluminous, big twist at the back. Now again, just to hide the rubber band, but this is completely optional. I'm adding this bow just so that I hide the rubber band because it really shows on my light bits of hair. But if you have dark hair and the rubber band doesn't show, you can totally just leave it and it's going to look amazing. So guys, that's about it. I hope you like these 3 hairstyles and I really hope you recreate them for Raksha Bandhan. Please do, they're really simple and easy. Like this video, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!